How old are you?
16.
How long have your parents been divorced?
Like 8 or 9 years, something like that.
And when they got divorced, who were you living with?
My mother.
Until when?
All up until I was, I think, 14.
And when you were 14, you went to live with your father.
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I just wanted to see what it was like with my father, you know. I was with my mom for a long, long time, and I was going to see what it was like, so my dad wanted me to live with him. So we went, and
You know that I don't believe that.
What are you
So
doing?
why don't we start again?
What are you
You
doing?
were 14.
Who's got the
You
monkey?
had been living with your mother since you were a baby.
Who's got the monkey?
And your mother just let you go to live with
I
your father to
guess.
see how it was?
oh no, she didn't let me go.
Ah,
We went to court over it.
Ted's stealing your monkey.
My dad bought my
Yes, he's stealing your monkey.
Sir.
Stealing your monkey, Pip. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy fancies stealing Pippa's monkey.
She had been previously removed from her mother's custody by CSD.
Ah,
Or ma'am. Not at all.
you got your monkey back. Oh, let's fuss over a monkey. Who's got it now? Oh, Teddy. You got Pippa's monkey again. Oh dear, Pippa, has he got your monkey?
Is that right? And you went to live with your father, and you lived with your father for about a year and a half?
2 years.
Why did you go back to live with your mother?
When we started out at my dad's, everything was fine and everything. But then he's always had a he was supposed to have doing it. And he promised me that
What a noise you're making there, Goose.
he didn't. And as time went on, he was making fun of me, selling it to minors, selling it to anybody. I went with drug pickups with him and everything. And my friend
Oh, Teddy, give Pippa a monkey back. Come on, Pip, come and get your monkey off Ted.
I know it's a bad habit, but my dad knew
Come and get it back.
and let me do it the entire time.
Teddy bear, what you doing with Pippa's monkey? What are you doing with Pippa's monkey? Come with a monkey. Come with a monkey. Come with a monkey.
And I didn't, and my dad said, have to. We just keep it our secret.
Okay, I got the whole message.
No chewing it. Ted.
No, nothing to do with you seeing a boy.
We don't rip monkeys up.
No, nothing to do with
No ripping up the monkey. Good boy.
Okay, so you had a boyfriend. Your father